Hi everybody, it's Peter. It's 6:57 in the evening. So it's getting close to 7 o'clock. Okay. So there's something hilarious. I got two drawings on the refrigerator. Yeah. Look. See? Those are the two drawings that I drew. Look. See? I've got four people that I drew. That's me, and that's my mother, and that's Lucy and her husband. Yeah. See how nice they are? See, by the way? Because we all love each other. Yeah. Those two, those are two persons right there. They live in my neighborhood. Yeah. Those two live in my neighborhood. Yeah. And also, look at that drawing. You see? That's me and my mother. Yeah. You can see we are hugging each other because we love each other. Because they look nice. We always look nice. Yeah. Because I drew those pictures when it was free time in high school, I get to draw, and I drew this picture, and that was a cool picture that I drew. Yeah. How nice. Because I'm really a good drawer, and everyone loves my drawing a lot. Yeah. Because I'm really a good drawer because I use a lot of colors, all that stuff. Yeah, because I love drawing people because some people think that I'm a good drawer. Yeah, that's how it feels like. Yeah. So this is the two drawings that I drew. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. Bye.